Hi, Butterfrog! Hey, you guys are weak. Draw. So we are going to work on subtracting. We use a little algebra stuff. A couple things to remember. Number one, each term must be subtracted. And number two, with algebra tiles, one can physically remove the pieces or take away the pieces. So the problem is sometimes there's no pieces to remove. Okay. And so if we don't have the pieces, we must use a zero pair. And that's the tricky part for this entire unit. So, for example, here we want to take away a negative 2x, but we only have positives to start with. That was the problem. And we had 5 positive tiles, but we want to take away negative 3. So we had to put down some zero pairs. Let's work on drawing that now. So the first thing you want to do is draw the first polynomial. Please draw this below. I like to spread out the pieces, okay, just to put them in their separate groups. Remember, no shading is positive, and shading here is negative when we're drawing. Okay, so I'm going to use a different color now. And now we're going to take away 2x squared. Easy to do, isn't it? So you should have that drawn. 2 of them crossed off. Then I'm going to take away a negative 3x. 1, 2, 3 negatives removed. Easy. The last part, though, we want to take away 4 positives. 1, 2, 3. We want to take away one more, but it's not there. So if it's not present, what do we have to do? Add a zero pair, emphasis on the pair, first. Okay. So we're going to have to put down 1 positive, 1 negative. Now we can finish what we started and complete the subtraction. Okay. Final answer, what is it? 3x squared minus x minus 1. Okay, so let's do example number 5. Start by drawing the first. Go. So there's the first one. Now I'm going to use another color. I need to take away 2 positive x squareds. Do I have any? No. So what am I going to have to put down? Zero pair. 1 positive, 1 negative, which is 0. And I'll have to do that again, because overall, how many need to be taken away? 2 of them. Okay, so take away 2 of them. Gone. I'll use green for my subtraction here. Okay. Okay, I want to take away some negative x's. Do I have any? No. So what do I have to put down? Zero pair. And now you can go and actually remove 3 negatives. Same thing for the last one. You have to put down a zero pair. And now you can take away 2 positives. Okay. Show your final answer now below. Write it out. Negative 5x squared plus 6x minus 5. Hands up if you got that. Okay. All right, example number 6. Go for it. All by your... 5x squared plus 4x minus 8. Hands up if you got that. Okay, any questions? Your picture must look extremely similar to mine, with all the exact same number of pieces added and crossed off. Okay. Any questions? Do you think you have to draw this for a quiz? Do you think you have to draw this for a test? Not too many of them. Okay, just 1 or 2. The idea is that you're subtracting each piece. Okay. So what we're going to do now is move to what we saw on the board. Remember, you're subtracting each piece. So now we're going to do symbolically what we just did pictorially with a picture. So 10x squared plus 7x does not change, minus 5. Now what we're going to do is we are going to subtract a plus 3x squared. Right here in between the bracket and the 3, that's a plus sign. We never write it, but it's always there. If it wasn't there, we'd have to write a subtraction. Okay, so watch out for that. Then we are going to subtract a minus 2x, and then we are going to subtract a plus 4. So everything must get subtracted. Then we can correct our signs. 10x squared plus 7x minus 5 doesn't change. Our signs, though, what do they change to? Minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. Minus 4. Okay. So they're kind of the opposite of what's in the brackets. Here's a plus 2. In the brackets, we start with a minus 2. Here we have a plus 4. Then we have a minus 4. Here we have a plus 3. And overall, then we have a minus 3. Okay, so that's what those are opposites. So when we're subtracting, we have to work with the opposites. Okay, opposites are positives and negatives in math. So, collect like terms now. Now it's just like we did yesterday. Once we've changed our signs or fixed them, combine like terms. Go. Seven x squared plus 9x minus 9. You guys okay with that? So, writing this all out is kind of painful. So what we're going to do is you can use your arrows to show that you subtracted and then correct the sign below. Am I doing it the exact same way? Good. Write it down. So I'm subtracting negative 2x and change it to a plus 2x. I'm subtracting a plus 4, so I change my signs. So you can do your work by showing the subtractions as you go along. use the arrows so you remember what you already subtracted and what you still have to subtract. Okay, so we're going to skip a step that way. You guys okay with that? Okay, next one. We already did that one, so we don't need to finish it. Let's go ahead, example 8. Rewrite the first brackets because nothing changes there. Then use your arrows to help you change your signs. How many x squareds? 14. How many x's? How many 1 tiles? 10. All right. Example number 9, go ahead. Wasn't sure for a while there. Okay, applications. That's sarcasm. Okay, keep going. Did this one yesterday. So it's not subtractions. Perimeter. How do we find perimeter? Add all the sides. Don't forget to use brackets. So we should have 3 sides being added. Go. Do it. Find the perimeter. Yep. Yeah, if you wanted to, for sure. We haven't done multiplying yet, so, but this one with a 2, it's easy to see what the answer could be. Okay, final answer, 14x minus 8. Do we change our signs when we move brackets? No, because we are adding. Okay, so this is different than what we were just doing. Good. X equals 2. Find the perimeter. Go. Perimeter equals 20. You got it? Good. Okay, so if we had a triangle, this was 12. So altogether, the perimeter is 12. If this side was 8, and this side, oh, no, 8's too high. This side was 4. This side was 3. What would the value of this side be? 5? Why 5? 12 minus 3 minus 4, or 12 minus 7. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to show you the long way first, then the shortcut. Okay, so we'll do both methods. So let's do, the perimeter is 12x plus 10. That should go in brackets. Then we take away the 2x minus 3 and take away the 8x plus 4. Okay, go ahead, show me your work. Okay, do it. 2x plus 9. What's the shortcut now? Do you guys know? Instead of doing the sides individually, do it as one big side. So put these together, please. So you'd be subtracting 10x plus 1. Exact same answer. Give me 2x plus 9. Any questions? So 2 different ways of doing it. I don't really care which way you do it. Okay. Good. Adding pyramid. So in order to go up the next level, you add the 2 squares that help support it. Okay. Go ahead. Find your answer at the top. Add them up. What's this square right here? Final answer at the top. Good. Any questions with adding? Any problems? Anything weird? No, just me. So subtracting pyramid, do you think it's going to be weird? Yeah. Because you have to subtract, and that's like it's in brackets. So really what you should do is just above it go minus 5x squared minus 2. Just quickly fix your signs. Okay, so you got to fix your signs each time. Go for it. Good luck. So this is going to be a minus 4x squared plus 1 to give us negative 6x squared plus 3. Thank you, plus 4. And then that changes to a plus 6x squared minus 4. So you're going to get a final result of 4x squared minus 11. Okay. So you got to watch your signs, make sure you change them. Okay. So you should have one answer unchanged, and then do your subtraction by changing your signs of the second polynomial. Any questions?